Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the course of second semester of social science in standard 7th. First chapter is medieval Gujarat. Medieval means Madhya Yug. In Madhya Yug, which type of administration, kingdom, and who were the king used to rule over Gujarat? We will learn about that. Medieval Gujarat approximately contains the year between 746 CE to 1304 CE, approximately 560 years ago. Among a man roamed about the village was singing a song, Chelaji re mare satu patanthi patoda monga lavjo. And the children were listening to his song. Among these, there was a child named Pratik. He returned to his home and asked his grandfather, "What is Patoda of Patan?" His grandfather told him the history of Patan. He informed him about the city Ahilwad Patan and of the Patoda. Patoda is a sari which is prepared in Ahilwad Patan and it is famous worldwide. In the medieval age, that means Madhya Yuga, which contains 746 CE to 1304, 560 years ago, Chavda dynasty means Kul, Solanki dynasty and Waghela dynasty ruled over Gujarat. Their capital of the kingdom was Ahilpur Patan, which is later known as Ahilwad Patan. Currently, Andwada village, which is situated in the west of Patan, was originally known as Ahilwad. We have to remember these three names. First, it was Ahilpur Patan, then it is known as Ahilwad Patan, and now the Andwada village is known as Ahilwad. Ahilwad's name is changed to Andwada village. According to historical text, Chavda dynasty ruled over Panchasar. Their ruler Jai Shikri attained martyrdom in war. Martyrdom means Shahid Hona. His son Vanraj Chavda recaptured his father's kingdom and established a new kingdom on the bank of river Saraswati, which was known as Ahilwad Patan. It is believed that his friend Ahil assisted him in acquiring his father's kingdom. Therefore, in his honor, his territory was named as Ahilwad Patan. Ahil was the name of Vanraj Chavda's friend who helped Vanraj Chavda in recapturing his father's kingdom back. Therefore, to honor his friend, he named his territory Ahilwad Patan. The Chavda dynasty ruled over Gujarat for approximately 196 years. After that, Solanki dynasty ruled over Gujarat. Starting from Chavda dynasty, who established Patan and ruled for 196 years. After Chavda dynasty, Solanki dynasty came into the rule. It is believed that at the time of Solanki dynasty, Gujarat was very prosperous and wealthy. The Rajput era says Ahilwad Patan emerged as one of the most powerful kingdoms. In Solanki dynasty, there are many famous rulers of this dynasty. Modharaj Solanki, Bhimdev Solanki, Siddharaj Jainsi, Kumarpal were among the great rulers. The famous scholar Sri Hemchandra Acharya during Siddharaj Jainsi's rule. Ahilwad Patan became the main center of education and was named as Vidyadham. At that time, Sri Hemchandra Acharya wrote a grammar book named Siddhem Shabda Anu Shasan. After the completion of this book, Siddharth Jainsi has given a great honor to this book by putting it on an elephant and took out the procession in the whole city. Both the king Siddharth Jainsi and composer Sri Hemchandra Acharya accompanied the procession on foot. After that, the prosperity of Gujarat was very much during the region means rule of Kumarpal. Non-violence, prosperity and education was highly noticed in Ahilwad Patan. The king of Solanki dynasty were great rulers. However, 6 of these rulers of Solanki dynasty renounced their throne and to become hermit. That means they have sacrificed their throne and become the sannyasi. A very interesting information about the establishment of Patan, that the year of establishment of Patan is written, or we can get this information from 3 resources. That is, according to the text Dharmaran, Patan was established in 802 Vikram Samvat, that is Hindu calendar 802, that is 746 CE. The second resource is according to handwritten memory of Rajvanshavali. Patan was established in 802 Vikram Samvat, and the year of establishment engraved on Ganpati idol at Ganpati pole is 802 Vikram Samvat. From these 3 resources, we can say that Patan was established in 746 CE according to Vikram Samvat 802, that is a Hindu calendar, which is proved the establishment year of Patan. In next part, we will learn about the work done in Solanki era and the rulers of Solanki and Waghela dynasty. Till then, you have to read these 2 pages, establishment of Patan, how Chavda dynasty and Solanki dynasty ruled over Patan, and how Siddharth Jainsi has give a great support to education in Patan. Thank you.